In this video, we are going to visit Sankaran Koil in Tenkasi district, where Sri Sankaranarayanar Swamy temple is situated. Namaskar. Welcome to Satish Shankar's Vibes. This temple is situated at Sankaran Koil, about 50 km from Tirunelveli in Tenkasi district. Lord Sankaranarayanar Swamy is the main deity in this temple. Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu grace the devotees together from the sanctum sanctorum. Lord Sankaranarayanar shrine is in between the shrines of Lord Shiva and Mother Gomathi. Lord Shiva appeared here in the form of lingam and worshipped as Sankaralingam. This temple was built in 10th century by Ukkarapandyan. It poses as an example of marvelous architecture. The rays of sun falls on Lord Sankaralingam for 3 days during the months of March and September. The temple has a 9-tier Rajagopuram. The ant hill sand is offered as prasad, which the sick consume along with water for cure. Mother Parvati took to penance, praying to both Lords Shiva and Vishnu to grant a joint darshan to establish the truth that both were only equal. Responding to Mother's penance, both granted darshan jointly as Sankaranarayana, one and the same. Lord Shiva also granted darshan to Mother Parvati as Sankaralingam. Adhikara Nandi is at the entrance with his consort Suyaja Devi, and the Nandi before the sanctum is under a Rudraksha Pandal. The right side of Lord Sankaranarayana is Lord Shiva, has Agni, Ganga, moon, earring, Rudraksha, maru and tiger skin clothing in waist. On the left, Lord Vishnu appears with gem-studded crown, earring, kundalam, tulasi bead and Lakshmi mala, a conch and silk pitambara around waist. Lord Sankaranarayana always appears in his best alankara dressing. Go means cow and Madi means moon, with a face as radiant as moon and owner of cows. Ambika is called Gomathi here. Sri Chakra, personifying the glory and power of Shakti, is installed here in the mandap before Ambika. Those with confusion or depression sit on this chakra and pray to Ambika. They would be freed from confusions. Adi Tapasu festival is very famous here, running for 12 days during July-August. The festival is exclusively for Ambika. She alone comes in the car procession. On the last day, Ambika goes to Tapas Mandap with a bag of sacred ashes and Lord Sankaranarayana grants darshan and enters the temple on the elephant wagon together. Vaikunta Ekadasi is celebrated with equal festivity as in Vishnu temples with Surgavasal in this temple. During Kandashashti festival, Lord Muruga appears with a single face only in the Subramanya form, but he graces with 6 faces that day in this temple. The wedding festival of Daivanai is celebrated the next day. This temple is open in the morning from 5 am to 12:30 noon and in the evening 4 pm to 9 pm.